welcome back to the channel. If you're into mud, trucks, and a whole lot of wild fun, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into everything you need to know about Redneck Mud Park Spring Break 2025, happening right now down in Punta Gorda, Florida. It's March 15th, 2025 as I'm recording this, and the gates are wide open for one of the biggest off-road parties of the year. This isn't just any event, it's a full-on muddy adventure that's got some fresh twists for 2025, and I'm here to break it all down for you. Whether you're out there getting dirty or just watching from home, stick with me for the next 8 minutes, because we're covering the new additions, the inner events, the programs, and even a few wild incidents that might be popping off. This weekend, let's get into it. So what's kicking off this year at Redneck Mud Park? Well, Spring Break 2025 started yesterday, March 14th, and it's running through the 16th with the Mud Wheelers Mud Bash as the headliner. This isn't your typical spring break with beaches and sunscreen. This is a muddy, high-octane takeover. The park's got miles of trails, massive mud bogs, and a crowd that's ready to let loose. But what's different this time around? For starters, they've added some new features to keep things fresh. One big change is the expanded ATV and side-by-side bounty obstacle course. It's not just about slogging through mud anymore. Now, you've got a challenging setup with twists, turns, and obstacles that'll test even the most seasoned riders. Think you've got what it takes to conquer it? The answer's simple. You better bring your A game because this course is no joke. It's designed to push your rig and your skills to the limit. Now, let's talk about what's happening inside the park this weekend. The inner events are where the real action's at. You've got the mega truck races lighting up the main arena, and these aren't just any trucks. They're beasts built to tear through mud like it's nothing. Saturday afternoon, today as I'm speaking, is when these bad boys hit the track. Ever wonder what it's like to see a truck fly through a bog at full throttle? It's loud, it's messy, and it's pure adrenaline. Then there's the truck tug of war, which is always a fan favorite. Two monster rigs going head to head, pulling until one gives out. It's a battle of horsepower and grit. And for something a little different, they've brought in side-by-side races this year, giving those smaller machines a chance to shine. It's fast-paced and chaotic, and the crowd absolutely eats it up. But what about the programs keeping this whole thing running? Redneck Mud Park's got a tight schedule to make sure the fun doesn't stop. Gates opened early yesterday for prepaid ticket holders, and today they're wide open 24/7 until tomorrow night. The park's got food vendors on site, so you're not stuck eating granola bars all weekend. Think burgers, BBQ, whatever fuels you up. There's live music pumping through the stage area too, turning the nights into a full-on party. What kind of music, you ask? It's a mix. Country, rock, whatever gets the crowd going. And if you're camping out, which a ton of people are, they've added new powered RV spots this year. So instead of roughing it completely, you can charge up and keep the good times rolling. It's all about making sure everyone's got a spot to crash and a way to stay in the action. Now let's shift gears a bit. What about incidents? You know, a place like this with mud flying and engines roaring isn't exactly incident-free. So what's likely to go down this weekend? Well, with the new bounty obstacle course, there's a good chance we'll see some stuck rigs. Last year they had to pull out a few ATVs that got swallowed up in the deeper bogs, and with this tougher setup, I'd bet we'll see some tow trucks working overtime. Another thing to watch, the trails. They've carved out new ones for 2025, which is awesome, but new trails mean untested ground. Could someone flip a Jeep or bury a side-by-side too deep? Absolutely. It happens every year. And then there's the crowd factor. With thousands of people hyped up, you might get a few rowdy moments. Nothing serious, just the kind of chaos that comes with a party this big. The park's got security and staff on it though, so it's all part of the vibe. Speaking of the vibe, what makes Spring Break 2025 stand out? It's not just the mud or the trucks, it's the energy. They've upped the ante with those new RV spots and the obstacle course, but they've also kept the classics like mud drag races and trail riding. It's a balance of fresh and familiar that keeps people coming back. Ever wonder why folks drive hours to get here? It's because this isn't just an event, it's a community. You've got families, gearheads, and weekend warriors all in one spot, sharing stories and getting muddy together. And with the weather in Florida hitting that sweet spot in March, it's the perfect time to be outside, knee-deep in the action. As we wrap up, let's touch on one more thing. What's the takeaway from all this? Redneck Mud Park Spring Break 2025 is delivering big this weekend. The new additions like the bounty course and RV spots show they're not resting on their laurels. They're evolving. The inner events, from races to tug of war, keep the energy high, and the programs make sure it's a smooth ride for everyone. Sure, there might be a stuck truck or two, but that's just part of the deal. If you're here watching this while you're at the park, drop a comment and let me know what you're seeing out there. I'd love to hear about it. Alright folks, that's it for today's rundown on Redneck Mud Park Spring Break 2025. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the muddiest party of the year, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. I'll be back soon with more adventures, so stay tuned. Whether you're out there slinging mud or just kicking back at home, thanks for hanging out with me for these 8 minutes. minutes. Catch you in the next one. Stay wild, stay muddy, and I'll see you down the road.